Hello, dear students. I hope you understood the chapter articles. Today we will do exercises. So, open page number 24 from your language book, and there is exercise number 1. Fill in the blank spaces with a, an, or the. Number 1. He looks as stupid as dash owl. So, owl, there is O, means vowel. So, before that, we will use an owl. Next, dash peacock is dash national bird of India. So, peacock. Before peacock, we will use the, and before national, again we will use the peacock because it is well known. Okay, so the peacock is the national bird of India, right? Next is the guide knows the way. When we know, I told you about when we know about a particular thing, about a particular person before, then there we will use the. So the guide knows the way. He already knows the particular way. Next is honest men speak the truth. Okay, honest men speak the truth. It is a universal fact, we can say. Next is copper is dash useful metal. Now see, there is written U, A E I O U vowel, but the sound is not vowel sound. So here we will use a useful metal. Next, he is dash honor to his country. He is an honor to his country. Okay, honor, though honor starts with the word with the character H, it is a consonant, but the sound is vowel, means honor. So here we will use N. Next, the children found dash egg. It is obvious, an egg in the nest. Next one, French is dash easy language, an easy language. Before easy, we will use N as it is vowel sound. Next, dash sun rises shines brightly. So the unique one of its kind, sun unique है, एक है, so here we will use the. He is dash untidy boy, an untidy boy. Okay, next, English is a language of the people of England. Okay, people of England, before that we will use the. Next, I have come without dash umbrella. I have come without an umbrella. Right? Now, exercise 2. Insert articles where necessary. One has been done for you. Means जहाँ necessary है वहीं आपको fill करने हैं. Okay? Number 1. I have not seen him since he was child. So, example is given over there. Since he was a child. So, after was there is a slash. Right? So, you will also put next one. Second, umbrella is of no avail against thunderstorm. So, an umbrella, it is obvious, is of no avail against slash thunderstorm. In the second slash, a will come, a thunderstorm. Next, how blue slash sky looks. How blue the sky looks. Sky, one of its own kind. एक और sky नहीं है. So here we will use the. Next, the doctor says it is hopeless case. It is a hopeless case. So put slash after is and you will write here a. Fifth one, I got a kilo of sugar from nearest grocer. So from के बाद slash from the nearest grocer, because we know from where we will got sugar. So जब हम जानते हैं पहले से already, then there we will use the. Next one, 6. My favorite flower is rose. There is no need to put any of the article. So, leave it as it is and put cross. Next, what kind of a bird is that? What kind of a bird is that? That also I explained you. Okay, to say what kind of thing or person, something or somebody is, or somebody's job is. Like, this is a useful book, my aunt is a doctor. So here we will put a. What kind of a bird is that? Next, there is nothing like staying at home for comfort. So here also there is no need of any of the articles, so put a cross. Next, moon did not rise till after 10. So moon, one of its own kind. So here we will use the moon. Next, wild animals suffer when kept in captivity. No article, put cross. You must take care of your health. There is also no need of any of the articles, so again put cross. Next, set back clock, it is hour too fast. So set back the clock. We know about which clock the person is talking. So set back the clock, it is an hour too fast. An hour. Next, the poor woman does not have rupee. So does not have a rupee. Put slash and write the a. Next, sun rises in east and sets in west. So you know there is unique things like sun, east, west. So the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Understood? So here we have completed both the exercises, and in this way we have completed the chapter. Okay, so you will also fill in your book and revise the chapter. Thank you.